Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to secure your Robinhood account from hacks. Alright, let's begin. To protect your account, start by setting up two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code in addition to your password. Log into Robinhood, go to Settings, then select Security and Privacy. Tap on two-factor authentication and follow the instructions to enable it. You can use an authenticator app or receive codes via SMS, but an authenticator app is the more secure option. Next, make sure to update your password regularly. Use a strong and unique password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. Additionally, be cautious of phishing attempts. Hackers often send fake emails or messages pretending to be Robinhood. Never click on suspicious links, and always verify the sender before entering your login details. So that's basically how you can secure your Robinhood account from hacks. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.